Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to see the concept of electrical energy and electrical power in a detailed manner. So let's start the video without wasting much time. First of all, let's see what is the concept of electrical energy. So electrical energy is the amount of work needed to move the charge carriers in the electrical conductor, that is called as electrical energy, and electrical energy is denoted as E and its unit is joule, that is measured in joule, and its formula is that is E will be equal to P into T. That is the formula for electrical energy. And now let's talk about what is the concept of electrical power. So power is the rate at which the electrical energy is transformed. That means the power represents the amount of energy that is transferred per unit time. This is the concept of electrical power, and it is denoted as P and it's measured in watt. That is formula having V is equal to V into I. So this is all about the concept of power and energy in the electrical context.